Hi, third graders. In today's phonics lesson, we discussed suffixes, which are the parts that are added on to the end of a root word or a base word. So for your activity, you're going to work with a partner and play follow the path using your suffixes, kind of like you did on Monday with prefixes. If you remember correctly, the dice are up here at the top, so I click dice, tell it to roll. It tells me I rolled a 2, so I move Mario 2 spaces. I have to read the word on that space, so the word is helpless, and then I have to use the word in a sentence. Maybe I would say the helpless puppy was stuck outside under the tree. Okay, if I can't use the word in a sentence, or if I can't read the word, then I would have to go back where I started from before that turn. You'll take turns with your partner, going through, rolling the dice, reading the words, and using them in sentences until someone makes it to finish. The first one to finish is the winner. If you have extra time, then you can play the game again, but that would be after you fill out this chart on the second slide. So I'm going to click on the second slide. This chart is broken into the 4 suffixes that we discussed and that were in your game. You're going to have to use the words from your game board, so you'll have to go back and forth between this game board slide and the other slide and type in your words depending on what suffix they have. So amazement has the suffix ment at the end, so I would type amazement in this box. If I go back, my second word is helpless. So I would come here. Helpless has less, less. So I would type it in this box. So I would do that back and forth between the 2 slides, typing in the words in the correct columns. Once you're finished with that, then if you have time, you may play the game with your partner again. Have fun.